Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix text notification sound not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. If you want to fix this problem, so turn on notification button. After turn on notifications, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button, you will see, click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search app data from here. Search app data. And click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After clear cache data, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix text notification not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.